Hi everyone, it's Nick here from Noterro. Today I'm going to show you how to manage classes or group bookings. First thing we're going to do is click on our gear or settings icon in the top right header here, and then click on base setup. And then in the base setup we're going to click on services. So these are the service categories, and these are the services within that category. If I scroll down, this little icon here represents a group or a class booking. So for example, if I click on hot yoga, I can see that the service name is Hot Yoga. There's no description in here. This is the color, and the maximum participants are 12. The practitioners that are performing this are listed here. If I want to add or remove, I'd click on Add Remove, and then if one of them did not perform it, I can click it. And this is for this duration here of 30 minutes. Okay, so you can manage who performs it, the service duration, and the price, and if there's a recovery time in between. If I want to add additional durations, I'd click on Add Duration. And if I want to make this available for online booking, so yes, you can add group booking or class bookings for online, and then you have some settings here, such as the method of booking. So this is online or call or text or email if you want to change that workflow, and if you have a payment policy as well. So an online payment policy may require a credit card or full deposit, so you can also change these values here, and if you want to show the price, you also have that as well, and then you can just click save. And this is how you would create or add a group or class booking in your services. There's the next step is that you need to add it to your calendar. So let's go to the calendar page, and I'll just use the center calendar here. So I have availabilities for Nick Smith here. So if I wanted people to book into his calendar, for example, well, this is actually in the past, so I might skip ahead a week, for example. And so I'll go to his calendar, and if I wanted to add that class booking, I'd click here. I'm not adding an appointment, I'm adding a class. And there's a Pilates, and there's that hot yoga that we looked at. And so now he performs a hot yoga, and I want email messages to go 2 hours before, because that's what I have it set to. And now I've added it to my class. And so when someone is in front of you and they want to book, or they have a call and they want to book into this hot yoga, you need to click on the appointment, the class itself, and you put the person's name in. And so maybe Harry Jennings wants to be sent, and then I can book an email. So whether he's calling or if he's standing in front of me, I can book an email in the details, and it shows Harry Jennings now as a participant. Okay, if he shows up, maybe this is again further into the future. So this is, we'll just say today is actually the 11th, and so if I want to mark him as arrived, I can mark him as arrived. And if I want to add an invoice, I can add an invoice, and I can show, so if there's multiple participants, I can show all their details, and I can view that invoice, and I can step through the payment of that invoice, and then I can go back. It'll take me back to the screen. And so that's how you sort of mark everyone as arrived or no show, and this is how you would process payments for a class booking. So again, the only difference is a class has to be added similar to an appointment to a schedule. So once you created it in your base setup, then you would need to come and add it to your calendar. So thank you for watching, and please click subscribe if you'd like to be notified as new videos are released.